according to the reviews that I've read on the platform, that some other didn't like this movie, but others like it. So it's a 50-50. And the other one says that it's some kind of Pet Cemetery attack, or Pet Cemetery, what's this? Story relevant to that one. Well, that remains to be seen once I get inside and watch it, and just wait for my reviews afterwards, okay? But I know I'm gonna like this movie because based on the poster that I've seen from the start, they post it, or from the start that they put it on the what's this? On this poster something. I really like this because this is some kind of different, and it's so scary and so freaky, especially the eyes. Oh my gosh! So the what's this? The trailer is starting now, and I wanna see what are the trailers for the next coming. Okay, bye for now. Shout out to each every one of you. Thank you for watching. Shout out to my brother Bico Feabardo, to my childhood friend Helen Carreto, and to Ate Tabita. Bye for now. Thank you, Lord.